Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change page orientation landscape to portrait in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the page orientation landscape to portrait. At first go to the home file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see the page is a landscape. Now I am go back the home menu, select the page layout menu, select the orientation, choose portrait. Then go back again the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. Now we can see we change page orientation landscape to portrait in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.